Oh, marvelous. Who doesn't love sunflower? Guys, today I will share with you how to paint my favorite flower, sunflower. So grab your brush, grab your paint. Let's start it.
1, 2, 3. I'm a Harry Potter sister. 1, 2, 3. Do you see? It works. But it works with your imagination. So you have to focus to learn how to do this. Let's start it. My brush. Ow! Ow! You see, stealing my brush! You can see sunflower has a brownish color around, and here in the center it has a little bit yellowish and white and black in the middle. So that's we have to do. So as you see, yeah, so that you have to create first, and after we're gonna add petals, yellow petals. I want to show you today this type of sunflower. So I'm gonna use a black color, and I'm gonna add brown color. I'm adding brown color. Okay, circle brown, and brown in the middle is a black. It's a little bit bright color around here. Okay, so black, little bit light, and brown. I'm using, as you can see on my brush, the cadmium and bright yellow, they're both together. So I'm gonna take that brush and I'm slowly here, I'm gonna do the petal. Okay. We added all sorts of color. This is the first layer, so we're gonna leave it for a couple of hours. Until that, we're gonna paint the background and we're gonna paint the vase. Okay, and we're gonna paint other way to other sunflowers. All right. So we nearly finishing the vase. Now we're gonna do the second layer of petals for the sunflowers. So this is first layer, and now we're gonna add a little bit more petals. For second layer, we make sure the brush is clean, and we're gonna use another some color. For example, if we see here, it's a little bit cadmium yellow, dark yellow. We're gonna add bright yellow. Okay. Thank you for watching my tutorial, guys. I hope you like my tutorial, and this is just the beginning, guys. Don't judge if I didn't show you a lot of stuff. If you have a question, just ask me. So bye for now. Thank you very much.